Welcome. Today I'm going to show you guys how to cut your red pepper. Very easy, very simple. So the first stage is we're gonna cut it to make a stir fry, or if you want to put it in your salad, this is the way to cut your red pepper. So watch till the end and you're gonna see if you want to make a stew or blend it, there's also a certain way you can cut it. So just follow the steps, very easy, and it's very, very, very fast. So this second one, I'm going to show you when you are slicing this, we're gonna clean it up and slice it for a stew. So we're gonna blend it up. So this way we're gonna slice it in a different way. So watch till the end and see how I'm going to slice this.